Hi there, students. To burn out. Okay, a fire can burn out. It can burn itself out because there's nothing left to burn. It's burnt all of the fuel. So I left the fire in the fireplace to burn itself out. The fireman let the fire burn itself out. Um, okay, a machine can burn out, particularly something electric or a car motor. So the engine of the car has burnt out, the clutch has burnt out. Yeah, to cause to fail by overuse. Yeah, the light bulb has burnt out. Yeah, the motor in the lawnmower has burnt out. Okay, so to stop working properly because something's overheated and it's burned part of the machinery. Then a person can suffer from burnout. A phrasal noun. I'm burnt out. This is where somebody is overworked. They're exhausted. Yeah, especially where they get to the point where they can no longer maintain their usual level of performance or dedication. Yeah. Okay, he burned himself out by working 20 hours a day for a year. Yeah. He became burnt out by working on this project. Yeah, if you keep working like this, you're going to burn yourself out. You're going to become overworked. Yeah. If you keep working at nights and weekends, you're just going to end up burned out. Okay, so if you're burned out, you just can't take any more. You worked too much, and you're just normally burnout is a mental thing. Yeah, where you just don't feel like doing anything anymore. You become non-functional because you've gone past your limit. I guess you could burn somebody out to make somebody leave a place by using fire. So I've seen this in films from time to time where they try to burn somebody out. They set fire to the building so that someone will leave the building. They burnt him out. Okay? But, okay, so I think the most common or the most useful meaning is when a person is burnt out. So I'm burnt out after all of this work. That's intransitive, no direct object. You could say, I burned myself out working too hard. Yeah? And there, you could use it like that, but it would have to go between the burn and the object, and the out. Okay, so burnout, extreme tiredness. There are a lot of workers in this company suffering from burnout. They're suffering burnout. Okay, so to burn out, to burn until there's nothing left. I guess you could burn out a building, to destroy completely by fire. To a machine that stops working because it's got too hot. The light bulb burned out. The electrical element burned out. Yeah, and then burnout, mental or physical collapse due to too much work, to overwork, to excessive work. Okay, so to burn out. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, maybe on the very edge. And then I think the origin, burn out, the out means you can't do any more. Out has the idea of broken, that it doesn't work anymore. So, to burn out. enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To burn out.